There is a hard speed limit built into the universe. No matter how advanced technology becomes, no matter how powerful an engine is, nothing can move faster than light. Not rockets, not particles, not information. This limit isn't a technological problem. It's a fundamental rule of reality. Today, we're going to explain why the universe has a speed limit, what happens as you approach it, and why light itself is so special. Light travels at nearly 300,000 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to circle the Earth more than 7 times in 1 second, reach the moon in just over 1 second, travel from the sun to Earth in about 8 minutes. Even at this incredible speed, light still takes years to cross galaxies, millions of years to cross galaxy clusters. So when we look into space, we're also looking back in time. Light is not just fast. It is the messenger of the universe. And here's the strange part. No matter how fast you're moving, light always moves at the same speed. That fact alone breaks common sense. Before Einstein, scientists assumed time and space were absolute. 1 second was 1 second, everywhere. 1 meter was 1 meter, always. Einstein proved this wrong. He discovered that space and time are linked together into something called space-time, and the speed of light is the glue that holds them together. To keep the speed of light constant for everyone, the universe does something incredible. Time slows down. Lengths shrink. Mass increases. The faster you move, the more extreme these effects become. As you approach the speed of light, reality itself begins to distort. Imagine accelerating a spaceship faster and faster. At first, everything feels normal. But as you approach light speed, something strange happens. Your mass effectively increases. Your energy requirements explode. To reach the speed of light, you would need infinite energy. And infinite energy does not exist. This is why objects with mass can never reach light speed. Accelerating becomes harder the faster you go. Light remains unreachable. Light isn't just fast. It sits at the boundary between what's possible and what's forbidden. If you could travel at 99.9% the speed of light, the universe would behave very differently. Time for you would slow dramatically. Distances in front of you would shrink. From your perspective, long journeys feel shorter, stars ahead seem closer. From Earth's perspective, years or centuries could pass. This is not a trick. It has been measured with atomic clocks and fast-moving particles. This effect is called time dilation, and it means high-speed travel is also a form of one-way time travel into the future. Light doesn't experience time. For a photon, the moment it's created and the moment it's absorbed are the same instant. Light doesn't age. It doesn't experience duration. This makes light unique. Because light has no mass, it doesn't need energy to accelerate. It simply exists at the maximum speed allowed by the universe. That's why nothing can overtake it. Light defines the speed of causality, the fastest possible way one event can influence another. You may have heard of ideas like warp drives wormholes faster than light travel. These ideas don't actually move objects through space faster than light. Instead, they bend space itself. In theory, space can expand or contract without violating the speed limit, but these ideas require exotic matter negative energy physics we don't yet understand. As far as we know, the universe protects its speed limit very carefully. The speed of light isn't just a number. It determines how time flows, how space stretches, how cause and effect work, how the universe stays consistent. Without this speed limit, physics would collapse, causality would break, reality wouldn't make sense. The speed of light is the rule that keeps the universe stable. Nothing can go faster than light. Not because we lack the technology, but because the universe itself says no. Understanding this limit brings us closer to understanding reality itself. If you enjoy physics, explained simply, subscribe and join us for the next journey.